Children's Day Quiz. When did Jawaharlal Nehru born? 1889, November 14. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Jawaharlal Nehru. National Children's Day is celebrated November 14th. Who was known as Chachaji? Jawaharlal Nehru. Name of Nehru's father? Motilal Nehru. What is the name of Nehru's mother? Swaroop Rani. Nehru's wife? Kamala Nehru. What is the name of Nehru's daughter? Indira Priyadarshini, Indira Gandhi. What is the name of autobiography of Nehru? An autobiography. What is the only flower Nehru wore in his coat? Fresh red rose. When is the International Children's Day celebrated? 20th November. Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Allahabad. Nehru wrote to whom a collection of letters called Letter from a Father to His Daughter, Indira Gandhi. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru Center and Jawaharlal Nehru Port are situated at Mumbai. Who is known as the architect of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. To whom Nehru dedicated his autobiography? Kamala Nehru. What is the name of Nehru's sister who became the first female president of the UN General Assembly? Vijayalakshmi Pandit. What is the name of newspaper started by Nehru? National Herald. When was Jawaharlal Nehru first elected as a Congress president? In 1929. The first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister of India? 1947 to 1964. Who is the Prime Minister when India signed Panchshila with China? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. How many times did Jawaharlal Nehru go to jail? 9 times. When did Jawaharlal Nehru first time meet Mahatma Gandhi? In 1916, Lucknow Congress. The first Prime Minister to get Bharat Ratna, Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Nehru got Bharat Ratna? In 1955. Quit India resolution was prepared by Jawaharlal Nehru. The name Panchayati Raj was given by Nehru. Panchayati Raj was inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Prime Minister to die in office, Jawaharlal Nehru. First Prime Minister to appear in postal stamps and coins in India, Nehru. Who is the first Prime Minister to visit Pakistan, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of Nehru's house in Allahabad, Anand Bhavan. Who was the first woman to win the Nehru Award, Mother Teresa. Who described Nehru as Riturajan, Rabindranath Tagore. Who performed the role of Nehru in the film Gandhi, Roshan Seth. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is located at Kalur, Kochi. Nehru got placed in postal stamp in 1964. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Name 2 books written by Nehru: Discovery of India, Glimpse of World History. From where Jawaharlal Nehru had completed his studies for a barrister at the Inner Temple, London. What was Jawaharlal Nehru's occupation? Lawyer. Which is the movement initiated by Nehru? Non-aligned movement. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? In 1964, May 27. Nehru's rest in peace place Shantivan situated at Yamuna River in Delhi. Where is the resting place of Jawaharlal Nehru? Shantivan. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru die? Delhi. What is the meaning of Shantivan, Garden of Peace? Thank you for watching.